to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of clothing hauls, styling videos, motherhood content, lifestyle, beauty. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul dresses edition. So these are really great dresses for any occasion, for spring, for summer, and for Mother's Day. These dresses can be worn on Mother's Day, they can be worn for any other occasion, all spring, all summer. These dresses are going to be on repeat because they are super cute, flattering, and fun. So a huge thank you today to our sponsor for sending over these beautiful dresses. I will have them linked down below in the description box, along with all the dresses that I'm going to be showing you today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches. I usually wear a size 14. I am a large, extra large, top and bottom. So with that being said, let's start off with this first dress. This dress is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It also comes without the lace detail. If you don't like the lace detail, I decided to size up in this one to a 2XL instead of just getting my regular XL, because I feel like a bodycon dress can be stretchy, but I wanted a little bit more room. Usually I would get an extra large, but I don't know, something in my mind told me to size up to a 2XL, and I'm glad I did, because although the extra large would have fit because this is a stretchy material, I feel comfortable in this one. I feel like there's enough room. I feel like I'm not constricted. So if you like a tight-fitting dress, get your usual size. If you like a more comfortable, sleek feel, then definitely size up 1 in this. This color is everything. I love the way this looks on. It does have like a little mesh detail there. Let me give you a closer look of the lace. Super pretty, you guys. I love the way this looks. The color is so vibrant and pretty. Perfect for Mother's Day. You're going to be the center of attention. This one also has a zipper in the back. I do find that I can get this dress on and off without undoing the zipper, so that's a plus. You don't need anyone to help you with it. This is a midi length dress, and it does go down a little bit past my knees. Again, I am 5 feet 4 inches, so you can use my height as a reference. The back of it looks like this. It does have these like lines in the back. It also has the tiniest slit in the back in the middle of the dress. Nothing major, so it's not a very high slit, just a little something to add to this dress. This color, I'm telling you guys, I'm obsessed with this color. My bust is usually a 38, and I do feel like this fits really well. It does have a little bit of extra space in it, but it's not like baggy or anything like that. It looks like it fits me pretty well. The material is a nice medium weight material. It's very flattering. It's not like a cheap little like thin material, because sometimes if you get really thin dresses that are bodycon, that are tight fitting, and the material is super cheap, it doesn't look good because it kind of just clings to your body in all the wrong places. But this one does have a nice fabric to it. Feels like really good quality. I have collaborated with this brand so many times in the past, and their pieces honestly every time have been such good quality. It's just something about their pieces that they offer that's just a little bit different from the other pieces that I've seen on Amazon. So I love working with this seller, and I honestly just absolutely love their clothing pieces. I mean, look at this. So next up we have this beautiful, beautiful dress that kind of gives me Dior inspired vibes. I love the print on this dress. This one is a midi dress as well. It goes down past my knees a little bit. It does have adjustable straps in the back here, which is always a plus for me. I love these adjustable straps. As you can see, this is the neckline. It's kind of like a square scoop neckline. The back is a square back. This is in the size, what size did I get this in? I got this in an extra large, and it fits so well. I'm so happy with the size that I chose. It fits perfect to my body. And also I feel like this pattern here does kind of hide anything. If you want to hide a stomach, which I definitely try to hide my stomach sometimes when I'm wearing certain items because I've had kids, my stomach is not the same, and this print kind of hid my stomach a little bit. When I tried it on, I was like, oh my god, I love this dress. I wasn't 100% sure about it when I took it out of the packaging. I was like, am I really going to like this dress on? I don't know. And then I put it on, and I fell in love with this dress. It fits so well. Again, it's a bodycon type of dress, but it's stretchy, very, very stretchy, and it's a medium thick material. Again, not that little cheap material that you would usually get at like Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe or like one of those places. This material is very nice, so it doesn't cling to the wrong parts of your body. This dress is also super cute because it has 2 splits at the side. I love when dresses have like a little slit at the side, but not so much in the back, because sometimes I feel like the slits in the back go up way too high, and if you're curvier, that does not help you when you're walking, because then it just like rides up and rides up even more. So I'm thankful that that blue dress that I just showed you does not have a high slit, because that would have ruined it for me. But I love that the slit is so minimal on that dress. And this one is on the side, and even though it has a nice little height to it, it's not super high, because again, this goes down past my knees. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this dress on Mother's Day or the other dress, the one I just showed you. I'm undecided. You guys let me know which one you think I should wear for Mother's Day. I picture myself wearing this one very casually with like a jean jacket and just some like sandals or something on Mother's Day. Next up is this fun, feminine, beautiful, girly dress. Love the floral detail. Let me bring it a little bit closer. Love this print. This one also comes in other colors as well. It also has an adjustable strap, as you can see. This is the neckline. I think this neckline is very, very flattering, and I love the pleated detail by the bust area. I love that look. It's everywhere, and I think it looks super flattering on anyone. It's very, very cute, and the back of this dress here is stretchy. So the front does not look stretchy, but the back does give you some stretch. This fits me perfect. I am, again, a size 14 typically, and this is in an extra large. The material on this one is so good. The quality, amazing. So this dress is double lined, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through this dress. It's just, honestly, it's so beautiful, you guys. Again, this is another dress that would look so great with a little cropped jean jacket, or just like a regular jean jacket that hits you at the waist. This would look great with heels. This would look great with sandals. This is a dress that you can wear casually, or you can dress it up. So if you want a more casual, very comfortable Mother's Day look, definitely go for this one, because it's flowy, it's a midi length. You don't have to worry about it like riding up. You don't have to worry about anything showing through. This one is just perfect. You can wear this one to church and like throw a cardigan over or something like that. You can wear it to Mother's Day brunch if you're going to be eating and you don't want anything tight on your body. This is also perfect for that. So next up is this beautiful lightweight white dress. It does come in blue as well. Look at the little details on this dress. Very, very cute, feminine, flirty, girly. Love this dress. This one is also lightweight, and it comes in a blue color, which is perfect for spring and summertime. The material feels really nice as well, and it is double lined as well. So let me show you here. So this is the first lining, and then this is the second one. Although it is double lined, I would suggest wearing something under this one, because it is a little bit see-through still, just because the material is on the thinner side. This does not look inexpensive. This looks like a really pretty dress. I feel like you would have thought maybe you bought this at like Nordstrom or something like that, just because of the way it looks and these details on the front of the dress. And the details do continue throughout the back as well. And what's really nice about this one is that it has this little belt here, so you can cinch it around your waist. And you guys know I love my belts because they give you such a nice little shape. They add a shape to you, they emphasize your shape. And I really like the bottom of the dress. I love the way it looks. I think it's super pretty and flattering. This is not a full length midi dress. I will say it stops maybe about an inch or two above my knees, but it's still a pretty decent length. So if you don't like midi dresses and you like above the knee dresses, this is perfect for you. This would also look really nice with a denim jacket and some flats, or again, you can dress it up with some heels, throw your hair up, put on some like statement earrings, something like that, and make it a fun dressy outfit. Next up, we have a very beautiful flowy dress. So if you are into more of a boho style, this is definitely for you. This dress comes in other colors as well. It fits wonderfully. I love the sleeves on this dress. It goes down to your elbows. So if that's a concern for you, this is perfect. It's flowy. It's a lightweight to medium dress. The material, again, is very nice. As you can see, it just like moves very nicely. The back of it looks like that. So it's a very plain, solid color, but the color is pretty. It's like a pinky salmon type of color, super pretty. It does have like a little v-neck right here, and I really like the tiered look of it, so it definitely flows out. This is another midi length dress. Again, if you're going out to eat for Mother's Day or something like that, this is a perfect option because it's not going to be constricting on your stomach or anything like that. It's very flowy. It moves beautifully, and as you can see, this one also has a really pretty belt that you can cinch around your waist. I just love the way this one moves. This one you might see a little bit through it, so if you're uncertain, just wear some biker shorts under this or wear some nude underwear and you would be good to go. I just love the material on this, and this is just super comfy, you guys. Again, all these options are perfect for Mother's Day. You can buy this for your mama to wear on Mother's Day. You can wear it yourself on Mother's Day. You can wear this pretty much all spring and summer, to a wedding, to a brunch, baby shower, whatever. Everywhere is opening up now, so these dresses are perfect for every occasion. This is the last dress I have to show you guys, and this one is super, super fun. So I will say this is the only dress I do like without it having like a little belt. I love the flowiness of it because of this detail right here. So because of this like little line detail, this squiggly, I feel like you don't need a belt. I think it sits really nicely on your body where you don't need a belt to emphasize your body. I like the looseness of it. I like the flowiness of it. Let me bring you a little bit closer so you can see the pattern. So this one is orange and this one is red, so they mix beautifully together. The pops of color against the white just look so gorgeous. This is what the back of it looks like. This is again another midi length dress. I love the tiered detail. This one is super, super cute, you guys. So comfortable. Again, lightweight to medium, great quality, good material, does not look cheap at all. This dress would look so cute with like a little hat and some like really pretty sandals. This is just like a fun dress to me. So if you want a pop of color, but a slight pop of color, this is a really great option. I think the lines are placed beautifully on this dress and it just looks so cute on. If you guys enjoyed this Amazon haul Mother's Day dress edition, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out all my other Amazon videos. I have a lot of great items in those videos as well. A lot of items from the same seller. So yeah, thank you again to Grace and Karen for sending over these pieces. I absolutely love them. Happy Mother's Day, you guys. Stay safe and I will see you next time. Bye.